Have you ever wondered how scientists extract DNA? So today we are going to show you how we extract DNA using gel electrophoresis. So it is quite a simple experiment, and let's get started. Before we get started, here is the list of materials we need to have to conduct this experiment. Make sure you have all of it, or you can just ask the lab assistant for the materials.
Now, let's start experimenting.
First, make a comb using wooden craft sticks. The stick will be used to create wells in the gel. The number of teeth depends on the number of well or number of samples.
For 1% of gel solution, we need exactly 50 ml of sodium bicarbonate buffer.
Weigh approximately 20 grams of agar-agar powder. Then, add the agar-agar powder in the buffer solution. Heat the gel solution in the microwave to let the agar-agar powder dissolve. After heating, stir the solution again to let all the agar-agar particles dissolve completely. Now, position the comb across the narrow side of the box, approximately 1.5 cm from the top.
The next step is setting the electrode in place. Bend each piece of steel wire so it fits inside the box and hooks over the side. Place the electrode at the opposite ends of the box. Secure them using tape.
After all the components are placed, pour the gel solution into the container just enough so that the comb teeth are submerged approximately 0.5 cm.
Next, leave the solution to solidify at room temperature within 10 to 15 minutes, or you can also put it in a refrigerator to fasten up the process. After cooling, cut the solidified gel on each side of the container using a knife. Remember, do not cut too near the wells.
Next, remove the comb gently from the solidified gel. Please do make sure that the gel are fully solidified to prevent the gel being broken up while removing the comb. Put the buffer into the container until the solidified gel are submerged by the buffer. Next, reload the sample into the wells. Use the needle tip pipette to transfer each sample to an empty well.
Now, link 5 9-volt battery connecting the positive terminal of one to the negative terminal of the next. Attach electrical leads to the exposed terminal of the battery pack.
Connect the lead from the battery pack to the electrode attached to the box. Connect the negative terminal to the electrode at the top near the well, and positive to the other electrode.
Now you will see bubbles along the electrode when the complete circuit is made.
And now, we wait until all the pigments are separated.
Tada! Here are the results of the experiment.
From the results, we can observe that the colors are now separated and located at different positions. How does this happen? In this experiment, negatively charged dye molecules are loaded into the gel. When a current is passed through the gel, the molecules will migrate towards the terminal with the opposite charge, which in this case it is the positive terminal, with smaller molecules moving faster than larger molecules. So this separates the different color molecules. Also, when it is suspended within a polymer matrix such as an agar-agar gel, the molecules will move at different rates based on their size.
That's all from us. I hope you learned something from this experiment.